Unboxing the FEYNYN PB Speaker Go was a breeze. The compact, straightforward packaging immediately lets you know this little budget-friendly speaker is built for portability. Right off the bat, the box highlights all the key specs I was eager to test, like Bluetooth 6.0, IPX5 waterproofing, RGB lights, and 5-watt output. Inside, you get the speaker itself, a USB-C charging cable, and a quick manual. Simple, functional, and ready to go. Unlike so many generic Bluetooth speakers flooding the market, the integrated RGB segments here feel thoughtfully built right into the housing rather than slapped on as an afterthought. I also really appreciate the IPX5 splash resistance. It gives me complete peace of mind taking this out to the beach, pool, or campsite without stressing over light rain or accidental splashes. Best of all, FEYNYN didn't skimp on modern tech. Having USB-C charging instead of those outdated micro USB ports makes topping up the battery so much more convenient on the go. The integrated 1,800 milliampere hour battery is a real highlight for such a compact frame. In my testing, it comfortably powered through a full day of casual, moderate volume listening. Naturally, cranking the volume to max and keeping the RGB lighting blasting will drain it faster. But topping it back up via the USB-C port couldn't be easier, making it a super practical travel companion that perfectly balances portability and stamina. What instantly caught my eye about the FEYNYN PB Speaker Go is its unique, football-inspired design. It definitely stands out from the usual sea of plain cylinders and rectangles. The built-in RGB lighting panels add a super fun vibe, especially during late-night hangouts, backyard BBQs, or camping trips where the ambient lights really shine. Plus, its ultra-compact footprint makes it effortless to throw in a backpack or set on a desk without taking up precious space. At the end of the day, the FEYNYN PB Speaker Go isn't trying to blast the roof off. It's designed to be the ultra-portable speaker that's always in your bag, and that's precisely where it shines. It carves out a great little niche with its punchy 5-watt output, surprisingly crisp sound, versatile local playback options like TF card support, and that eye-catching RGB design. If you're after a fun, splash-proof, and budget-friendly daily companion that adds a splash of color to your setup, this little guy is an absolute winner.